heading over to Project 305.
Grayed out like twice.
All right, everybody. So that big red and yellow coaster right behind us is Project 305, which used to be called Intimidator 305, and it is an Intamin Giga coaster. So in the same vein as like Millennium Force.
Yeah.
So it's super intense.
The first hill.
I actually grayed out at the bottom of the first hill because it goes down and then banks instead of like going straight up into another hill. Which I don't mind that either because I used to gray out on Millennium Force too, but it was okay. It was just okay for me. I didn't love it the way everybody else seems to.
Yeah, we kind of said it was like it's newer than Millennium,
right?
But it's kind of like a weird mashup of Maverick and
Yes.
Millennium Force.
Correct.
Because it has the weird like quick turns, like
yeah. But for some reason, I feel like Maverick is a lot smoother. Maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know. It just wasn't. A lot of people talk that coaster up like it's the best thing on the planet, and I gotta tell you, I like Millennium Force a lot better.
Yeah, it's better coaster.
It's just a lot smoother. There's a lot more airtime. I don't know. I didn't love it the way everybody else does, and I'm probably gonna catch a lot of flack for that, but that's okay. Everybody can't love the same things. So yeah. Anyway, I'm not so sure that I would ride it again or more than once if I was here. Yeah. So there's that.
Yeah, it's a cool coaster, nice addition to their park. But yeah, the ones at Cedar Point are better than it.
Yeah, I would agree with that.